we look at number 5, we have log base 3 of 2 minus x is equal to 3. And a big difference on this problem from the previous problems is that not everything is on the inside of the logarithm. So not everything is on the inside of a logarithm, meaning we have this 3 here, which is not on the inside of a logarithm. So what that means is we want to use the transformation. So on the previous section we were transforming between logarithmic and exponential, as well as the other direction. So I want to take 3, raise it to 3, and set it equal to my inside here. So this is going to be 3 raised to the 3 is equal to 2 minus x. So this will be 27 is equal to 2 minus x. If you subtract 2 from both sides, you get 25 is equal to negative x. And then if you divide both sides by a negative, then this will be negative 25 is equal to x. Now, we do need to check this in the original because we're not allowed to have negative numbers or 0 on the inside of a logarithm. But if you look at the original, it's 2 minus x. So if you take 2 minus a negative 25, that's positive 27. So it's okay to have a positive 27 on the inside of a logarithm. So it'll be okay to have negative 25 as our answer.